Hey lovely people, how are you doing? In today's video, I'm gonna do brown smoky eye which is similar to sunset and sunrise look. चलिए फिर start करते हैं. I'm taking this yellow color for crease area. This is from Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me palette. I'm using this color from another palette. This is from Morphe. This is very pigmented. This time I don't have orange color, so I am adding this red color into yellow so I get orange color. Adding this brown color, this is also from Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me palette. I am dabbing the color on the concealer. So finally you are here. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Bye bye.